was feeling tired a few minutes ago, but baby, turn on this street. Baby, all you see is the sun. Who else gets excited when the sun is out? It is 48 degrees, y'all. It feels like it. I got this little jacket on, but I also got on a cardigan. So I'm actually heading to work. Today I plan to go to a few more stores because yesterday I didn't have too much luck finding the items that I need. Where I plan to go today, there are a lot more stores in that area. So I get a chance to like go from store to store versus like driving all around the city. We don't want to do all that. My hair's shiny, okay? Come on, waves. I'll see you guys on my lunch break or when we get ready to head to the store. What's up, guys? So we are back. I am in the car now on my lunch break, watching Tasting Boutique and Melissa. I made my own trail mix, baby. Listen, hold on, let me pause it real quick. Baby, listen, y'all probably can't tell, but like if you look a little close, don't mind what they look like. It's delicious. All these actually came from Aldi's. I got regular almonds, the honey roasted almonds, baby. 10 out of 10. 5. Now the regular almonds, I normally give them like sea salt, but they didn't have those, so I had plain, and it was nasty. It was 0 out of 10. So I just mixed them in the bag with the honey roasted and some dried cranberries. It's my little snack. I got a little crackers and cheese. I have my muffin from this morning that I did not get a chance to eat. So that's all we're gonna have today for lunch. Just shake it up, and that little sugar stuff will get on the rest of the almonds. What I have for lunch today, because we're gonna use the sugar mix. Look at that honey roasted. Just want to check in real quick. Oh, look at my camera. That's like it was trying to eat and record and snigger the snap. My cousin talked about me this weekend. He said when I be doing my reviews, I always do 10 out of 10. I already got 2 bags of these. One of them went back. Because this is, it ain't it. I'm so mad TBTB is not a thing anymore. Because I used to watch them on my lunch break. They all still create content. They just not on. They just don't have the podcast together. And we miss them, okay? All right, my car says 70 degrees. This one was like 40 something.
She be having my baby.
Baby. Don't forget why she going her own at me. These are cute. Look at these. I actually bought the pillowcases off my couch so I can do a perfect match for the pink. And I left them in my trunk. I'm gonna have to go back to the car. Would you guys happen to have like pink decor? Like Christmas decor?
There is one that has some pink in it.
So just that light pink?
Yeah.
Oh no, I need a darker pink. Are you guys expecting to get like a darker colors, or do y'all normally just get light pink?
These are some.
Dang it. I just knew Hobby Lobby had it. Okay. Thank you. I'll be back. Let's see on the kitchen counter. I got some gingerbread, man. It's cute for the outside. Pure Seduction is used to get from, I think it's Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret. The body mist, that's what it smells like. It was cute. And it has the pinks. I wish the bunnies was pink. When I tell you, I'm tired of going in and out of these stores and I can't find nothing. Tired ain't even the word, you hear me? I even took in items. Like I packed this little bag yesterday to make sure I got the right shades of pink. And before Burlington's and Kohl's, I went to Hobby Lobby. There's one more store over here that I'm gonna try to look in to see if I can find something. If not, look at my clothes. I look all discombobulated. Try to sit y'all up there. Maybe Marshalls? I don't know. I did decide on possibly doing a gingerbread theme in my kitchen because I can't seem to find regular kitchen towels that are those colors. Now, the ones I did put on hold yesterday, when I went home, I realized it was way too dark. It was more of a purple versus the pink. 3 shades of pink that I need for my ornaments and decor to match. I'm thirsty. Let me get a little bottle of water. Look, this still frozen from lunch. Whoa. I ain't know little Snoop Dogg and Dr. Dre was gonna come on in the car when I got in. Woo. That was needed. It is now 6 o'clock. I'm gonna try one more store because I actually have to go pick up my niece. Today is her school dance, so I need to go pick her up. So I need to be hitting her way about 6:30-ish. We're going home so we can find something to eat. And I gotta use the bathroom. Okay? I gotta use it. You hear me? And we not using it in the public. So I'll be back when we get in Marshalls if we find something. No luck, guys. As you guys can see, there was no footage of me in the store because there was no need to even take the camera out. Nothing. And as you can also see, baby, it is nighttime. And I'm over here about Popeyes, McDonald's, Five Guys, Burgers and Fries, Wendy's, restaurants, all the things, baby. And the stomach is growling. It's okay, because we got dinner at home. I can't wait. These kids think they fly.
It's Angel, right?
What you got on tonight?
I got on my
Let me see your rings.
all I'm missing is the grill.
I can't take this girl.
I really look like I'm from the 90s.
You do. It's cute. You might not be in there popping your collar all night. How you gonna pop your collar? I'm done.
Be outside.
It's 2 people standing right there.
On my size. Oh, that is Angel. That's her.
Somebody,
and that Papa.
it's 2.
Oh, she got on a dress? What?
These kids.
Is she this girl?
So dramatic.
Huh?
I'm talking to my vlog.
Oh.
Have fun. Look at her. You want to leave your jacket in the car? You got to keep up with that in your purse and your other top. You're welcome. Love you too. Uh-huh. Excited. They ready to take pictures outside. They better take pictures of the inside too. Because last Saturday, I said, oh, we forgot. I will put them in the vlog, but it's her and her friends, and I don't got their parent consent and all that type of stuff. So, oh, but they cute.
No